Let's take a tour from the food on your plate, the initial source of those vital carbohydrates, to the spark of energy deep within your cells, where the magic truly happens. By the end of this journey, you'll see how eating a simple slice of bread sets off a chain reaction, an energy cascade that ultimately powers your life, from your muscles to your mind. Ready to explore this amazing process? Grab a snack, preferably a carb-rich one to fuel your brain power, and let's dive in and uncover the secrets of carbohydrate metabolism. What are carbohydrates? They're molecules made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, nature's energy blocks. Carbs come in three main types: sugars, starches, and fiber. Sugars are simple and sweet, like glucose in honey or fructose in fruit, providing quick energy. Starches are long chains of sugars found in foods like potatoes and bread, giving you steady, lasting energy. Fiber is also a chain of sugars, but our bodies can't break it down. It keeps digestion healthy and helps you feel full. Carbs are everywhere: fruits, veggies, grains, and dairy. Except for fiber, all carbs are broken down into glucose, the universal energy currency for your cells. From mangoes to potatoes, carbs fuel your day. Let's follow glucose on its journey. The carb journey starts the moment you take a bite. Chewing bread, saliva's enzyme, amylase, starts breaking starch into sugars right in your mouth. Swallow, and the food hits your acidic stomach. Carb digestion pauses here. In the small intestine, pancreatic amylase resumes the breakdown, snipping starches into smaller sugars. Enzymes in the intestinal wall finish the job, turning everything into single sugar molecules like glucose. Now, glucose is small enough to be absorbed into your bloodstream. It's like a crowd passing through turnstiles. Glucose enters your blood and travels to every cell needing energy. From your muscles to your brain, glucose is delivered everywhere. The fuel has arrived. Next, let's see how your cells use it. The real energy magic is about to begin. Glucose, the simple sugar that fuels our bodies, enters your cells. It's the primary source of energy for most living organisms, and it all starts here, at the cellular level. And once inside, the energy extraction begins. This is where the magic happens, where glucose is broken down to release the energy stored within its bonds. First up, glycolysis, the initial stage of cellular respiration. Glycolysis literally means sugar splitting, which splits glucose in half, breaking it down into smaller molecules. This process occurs in the cell's cytoplasm, the gel-like substance that fills the cell. It's a bustling hub of activity where many metabolic reactions take place. The result of glycolysis is the creation of two pyruvate molecules. These molecules are key intermediates in the energy production pathway. Glycolysis is fast and doesn't need oxygen, making it an anaerobic process. This makes it perfect for quick energy bursts, like sprinting, when your muscles need energy rapidly and oxygen supply might be limited. It makes a little ATP, the cell's energy currency, but the big payoff comes next, in the subsequent stages of cellular respiration. If oxygen's around, meaning the conditions are aerobic, pyruvate heads into the mitochondria, the cell's specialized organelle for energy production. The mitochondria is often referred to as the cell's powerhouse, and for good reason. There, inside the mitochondria, it's converted to acetyl-CoA, a crucial molecule for the next stage. Acetyl-CoA is the ticket to the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. The Krebs cycle is a series of reactions, a complex biochemical pathway that dismantle acetyl-CoA, breaking it down step by step. In the process, it releases carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, and importantly, it harvests high-energy electrons, capturing the energy released during the breakdown of acetyl-CoA. These electrons are loaded onto NADH, a crucial electron carrier molecule, and also onto Phage2, another important electron carrier. Think of them as charged batteries ready to deliver their energy to the next stage of the process. The Krebs cycle itself makes only a bit of ATP directly, but it sets the stage for the final, most productive step in cellular respiration. Now, those charged carriers, NADH and Phage2, are ready for the grand finale, the electron transport chain. Let's see how your cells, through these intricate processes, turn them into a flood of energy, powering everything you do. Welcome to the electron transport chain, the main event for energy production. NADH and Phage2 deliver high-energy electrons to a chain of proteins in the mitochondria. As electrons move down the chain, their energy pumps protons across a membrane, building up a powerful gradient. Oxygen waits at the end, grabbing electrons and forming water. This is why you need to breathe. Protons rush back through ATP synthase, spinning it like a turbine and generating a huge amount of ATP. From one glucose, you get 34 ATP molecules, your body's energy jackpot. This is how your cells turn food into the power for everything you do. The process is efficient, elegant, and essential for life. So, what does all this ATP, this energy currency of life, really mean for you in your day-to-day existence? How does this microscopic process translate into the macroscopic world of our actions and experiences? For athletes pushing their limits, carbs fuel every stride. They are the primary source of readily available energy. Marathon runners rely on this intricate metabolic process to keep moving mile after mile, pushing through fatigue and maintaining peak performance. It's the engine that drives them towards the finish line. That's precisely why they strategically carb load before big events, meticulously stocking up on glucose reserves in their muscles and liver, ensuring they have ample fuel for the long haul. But the importance of carbs extends far beyond the realm of elite athletes. Carbs aren't just for athletes. Your brain, the command center of your body, is a glucose guzzler, relentlessly using about 20% of your body's total energy expenditure to function optimally. Every thought, every fleeting memory, and every complex problem you solve critically depends on a steady and reliable stream of ATP derived from the carbohydrates you consume. When your blood sugar dips too low, you inevitably feel tired, sluggish, and mentally foggy. Choosing complex carbs, like whole grains and vegetables, helps keep your energy levels stable and sustained throughout the day. Carbs power everything, from walking and talking to laughing with friends. Even the rhythmic beating of your heart relies on a constant supply of energy from carbohydrates. They're the fundamental link between the meals you eat and your ability to actively live your life, learn new things, and engage in playful activities. Without this intricate and efficient system of carbohydrate metabolism, life as we know it simply wouldn't be possible. Carbohydrate metabolism, often unseen and unacknowledged, is the silent engine tirelessly working behind it all, powering our very existence. What if you eat more carbs than you need? Your body stores the extra as glycogen in your liver and muscles, a handy energy reserve. When those stores are full, excess glucose is turned into fat for long-term storage. This system is efficient, but in today's world, too many carbs can mean unwanted weight gain. On the flip side, too few carbs force your body to burn fat and protein for energy, not its favorite method. Low-carb diets can lead to ketosis, which may cause fatigue and brain fog at first. The key is balance. Carbs are vital, but moderation matters. Understanding how your body handles carbs helps you make smarter choices. Keep your internal engine running smoothly by fueling it wisely. Carbohydrates are essential. Find your sweet spot for energy and health.